Hey, does Thanksgiving turkey stress you out? Always dry and overcooked? Well, gather around because I've got a bird for you. The secret is a technique called spatchcocking. First, we take out the backbone. Watch how easy it is. Save this for a stock. See? That's it. Easy, right? Just put the wingtips under so they don't burn. My Julia Child moment. Borky bird, turkey. You can do this with any bird. Give it a shot. Now let's amp up the flavors with a marinade. Turkey meat is pretty mild, so I want a bold marinade with a ton of citrus. Making sure it works. See? Now that's a flavor bomb. Pro tip, get the marinade under the skin so it permeates all the way through. Now this just needs a couple of hours. Flattening the bird increases surface area so it cooks in half the time. No more dry bird. I know you all love your mashed potatoes and Brussels sprouts, but let's shake some things up with rice and beans. Trust me. Woohoo! You ready? Oh. Juicy. Part. this ain't your grandma's bird, let me tell you, once your family tastes this, they will be begging for it again and again. So tender and juicy, that spice in the rice and the marinade.